What's going on, guys? Crypto Shoney here with another cryptocurrency video for you. This will be an extension of the last few videos I've done here, kind of the state of the union for Crypterra. There's been a lot of questions, concerns, doubts. A lot of people are just really worried about what's going on, and number one being, am I going to lose my coin that I sent, my hard-earned money? And I'm not getting any responses. So, yesterday evening I did post an update on a conversation I had. I did get a few more messages that I want to go ahead and share with you guys, as well as look at what they've posted on social media. But first and foremost, their website had issues this morning, but it seems to be stabilized here. Going from page to page is much faster, and you're not getting that error like every other page where you have to keep refreshing it. So well, now that I say that, looks like it's not anymore. So it was really bad this morning. It looks like it's bad again. I was having to refresh 5-6 times. So, and there is other concerns from people that this balance at sometimes will go down. Keep in mind that this is totally dependent on the price of the coins you're mining. So if the price of Bitcoin goes down, like it just did, it went from 38 cents to 34, it's because your price of your Bitcoin goes down. So if you looked at this view, you should never see this go down unless you take a withdrawal. But this is converting it to your currency, which it's changing every second. So keep that in mind. And there's other concerns that people are saying, their average balance they were getting per day on their terahashes has been less the past 2 days, and that can probably be attributed to two different things. If you're looking at your balance, it's definitely because of the drop in the Bitcoin price, or the Bitcoin price. If you were looking at your average coin per day and its less percentage, that has nothing to do with the price of the Bitcoin. It's how many coins are you mining. And there could be, I think my personal belief is, they sent that video to me yesterday of setting up new miners, and I saw a note somewhere and I couldn't find it, where they said that they were rearranging their mining farms. So if that's the case, they had miners offline, and that would be why your balance for the last 2 days could have been less in terms of how many coins you mined. So just a reminder, I set up a Facebook group here to have the conversations around what's going on. It's called Crypterra Official. In the last 24 hours, we're almost to 300 members, so there's a lot of good conversations. Feel free to hop in here. I will post the link in the description and in the comments. So first off, I showed this page yesterday, and this is what I believe is, and I have proof that it is the real page here of Crypterra. It's the one that has like 1.8 thousand likes. And they did put a note here saying they've gotten through all duplicate tickets. We're starting at number 1 and allow 48 to 72 hours for your hash rate to be credited. So they told me 48, and now they've extended it, it looks like. But there used to be a box here where you could send a message, and it said they typically responded within minutes, and that's how I got a hold of them. It looks like they have since removed that, and when I try to send a message in that messenger, it doesn't allow me to. So they've definitely turned it off, due to a lot of people, after seeing videos like this, probably slamming them with questions. They've since turned it off. But so they are trying to keep us transparent here. They also put an update on their Twitter account with respect to the website. Maybe temporarily unavailable or take a long time to load. So again, they're trying to put updates here. And what I think is interesting is this tag here is the exact same tag here. So one more factor, I think these are both company made and not some person just trying to act like Crypterra. But the real smoking gun, if you will, is, so this is what I showed yesterday. But after I got this last message, I got an update, from someone, I didn't even ask for it, and they just said, wanted to let you know that we've identified the problem and that the system sometimes provides an incorrect address. So let's say you wanted to pay with Litecoin. I guess what they're saying is the system would get confused and provide you with a Bitcoin address, or vice versa. They have a special team working on this, so if people are making purchases, please double and triple check before sending it. But no matter what, they will receive their hash rate. So again, I know there's certain exchanges like Coinbase won't even allow you to send Litecoin to a Bitcoin wallet, but I'm sure there are hardware wallets potentially and other cold storage wallets that'll allow you to do that. I hadn't tested it or anything like that, but sounds like a potentially legitimate reason and why everything would be jacked up. I said thank you for the update. I'll be posting a video, and I said, some people are feeling better about it now that you guys have talked. So I put this in here to let them know I'm legitimate. I am giving people real-time updates, and I think that's why he or she sent this, is because they know that people are getting updates, and I kind of blasted out. So, and this is what I believe why it was the real team here. Is they did come back, I said, trying to keep peace for you guys and help out. I believe you guys aren't scammers. There's a lot of people out there that think this is a scam platform. Based on my results, I have no proof that it's a scam, other than now these people aren't getting their hashing power, but they're trying to work through it. But anyways, he put his signature in here, and I'm sure this phone number doesn't work, and it doesn't have a personal email. But Harry Griffin, customer support manager. So if this were some, Joe Blow trying to act like Crypterra, he probably wouldn't have put this in here. So, unfortunately, if I try to send a message, it'll say this person is not available because they have turned off messaging. But just wanted to give you guys this update about they did come back and say this without even me asking. So hopefully this is the real issue and they are fixing it. I did do two withdrawals today, one Ethereum, one Bitcoin. They are still awaiting. So once this posts, this will be kind of the first transaction after all hell broke loose here in the last day or two. So I will give an update if this does post. And I covered it yesterday, but I'll just say it again. Due to all these issues, they did change. They extended the Christmas coupon code by 20 days. I still think they probably should have chosen a better word than prolongated, but I guess they're not English speaking by nature. So that's all I had for today. I will post updates as I get them. Hopefully they turn their messaging back on and give me an update, because transparency like this is what keeps people going. Like, they have to know what's going on, so hiding crap's not going to help anything. I know they're probably slammed, but it takes 60 seconds to put a post up saying here's what's going on and we're sorry. So that's all I have for today, guys. Please continue to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Like this post and turn on post notifications for videos like this every single day. Alright guys, take it easy. See ya.